are there certain cybersecurity habits that are, still being kind of, I guess, underestimated in the Philippines?
Yes.
Or parang hindi siya naiisip na,
Oo.
like, look, simple na naman to eh. Gawin mo na to.
And
Sobrang
bukod
simple.
tangi ba tayo na underestimating these cyber habits? Or
No,
It's
we're
a global-
human beings.
it's a human
It's a
thing.
global thing.
It's a human psyche na yan.
Yeah. Oo. But, ang isa ma'am dyan na very, very common na talagang nakakalimutan is yung pag-update. If you look at it kasi...
You mean your
say-
software updates?
Yeah, software
Okay.
updates. So, ganito yan. For example, ma'am, you have a antivirus. Wala namang antivirus company who knows all the viruses that's gonna
has a
come
database
out.
of everything.
Diba? Wala. Kasi mindset yan eh. Kung sino yung gagawa ng virus, kung anong klaseng virus ang gagawin niya.
Iiwasan ko yung database
Yes.
ng 2025.
So,
ganun,
Ang gagawin ni antivirus, ilalock out niya yung kilala niyang viruses, di ba?
But-
So it builds a database of all the vectors of attacks. So for example, para lang maintindihan, i-lemonize natin for technically speaking. Say for example, love virus.
Yeah.
Love virus say has a, di ba, it operates in ones and zeros naman
Yes.
sa tech. So say love virus is 14344. So sasabihin ngayon nitong firewall mo, ay ng
Basta
antivirus mo,
14344, huwag
14344
papasukin.
up, hindi ka pwede
Ah.
pumasok. Diba? Ikaw sila virus, so antivirus will lock it out. Diba? Nasa database siya ni antivirus. Ngayon, sabi ni Love Virus Creator, kilala nyo na ako, magmamask ako.
Iba naman.
I will now make it 14345.
Ah.
Diba? So makakapasok na siya ngayon.
Or gumawa
Kaya
ng
you have to keep
Gen Z
updating.
virus
So, sa
6767.
ngayon, ini-report mo ngayon na
Wala,
nagkaroon ka ng bagong breach,
Ah.
di ba, sir? So, ilalagay siya ni antivirus ngayon sa bago niyang linya na database. No? Aside from 14344, we have a new one, 14345. Hindi ka nag-update. Hindi pa rin niya kilala si
Yes,
14345. Kasi yung
Kasi
bagong
yung version mo,
listahan,
2010
hindi mo
pa.
natanggap yung version na
Yeah.
mas malawak yung listahan ng kilalang vector of
Vector.
attacks. Opo. So, that's very
So
simple.
you should also just buy from
No,
trusted
you know what-
suppliers.
you know
But you still have to update.
Yes.
Oo.
So from
Oo.
all this, what mindset should our viewers get? What sort of mindset should we be having
Yun nga,
from
ma'am.
all of this
So,
experience?
we have to have them embrace the idea and the notion that they're part of security. So, kapag mapanuri sila, di ba?
So whether it's
they
reporting a
report,
bug or
oo.
whatever.
But for us commanders, talaga naputas pa rin sa military terms. ang balance is, di ba, sa amin is accomplishment of the mission or the welfare of your men. Sa tech, yun din po yung problema. If we put so much, yung dun sa security aspect, ayaw na siyang gamitin. So, for example, ma'am, sabihin ko sa'yo, ma'am, for you, ang rule is every 25 days, you have to change your password to a 25-character long combination of uppercase, lowercase, some numbers, symbols, diba? Ganon. So ngayon, sabi mo, hindi ko na maalala kasi palit ako ng palit. Ayoko nang gamitin yan, di ba? Mag-Gmail na lang ako, mag-free na lang ako na ayoko nang gamitin yung company mail. So sa tech, bumabalik sa amin yun. Kayo kasi, hirap-hirap ng mga parameters nyo.
25
mga policies nyo, kaya ayaw tuloy gamitin yung systems that are in place. So sasabihin nyo ngayon, ma'am, as the boss, huwag nang pondohan yan, di naman ginagamit. Diba? So ganon. But ito kasi ma'am, reality. Sabi ko nga, there's no impenetrable system to a dedicated hacker. It just takes time. Kasi hahanap at hahanap ng butas yan.
Yeah.
Wala kasing closed shell. There's
Especially
gonna be,
now with agentic AI.
yes, it's gonna be really an open port. Kasi you have to connect to the internet. You have to talk to people.
And
So,
it's doing what it's supposed to do.
yes, so may bukas talaga siya. Yun lang ang hinahanap nun. Ano yung butas na pwede kong pasukin? So ngayon,
The
meron ako, for
organization.
example, ma'am, software. Kasi sa hacker, they just have their tools.
Yeah.
There's an app for that.
Yeah.
So, what I want to do is crack your password. So, I will use, say, a dictionary attack. The dictionary attack will do all the possible combinations. Parang sinabi ni Sir dun sa lock.
Yung lock.
001,
Diba?
001.
And then, ibabangga niya dun sa password field mo until it finds it. So, for example, for a 6-character long, which is all uppercase, 0.02 seconds.
Yeah.
Diba? So, kaya nagkakaroon ng ganong parameter na
Now, if
every
you're doing a
ganitong
25
days,
character,
papalitin mo siya ng ganito kahaba. Kasi nga,
this is
say
the
on
amount
the
of time it would take.
in the 25th day, na-crack na yung password mo kung 10 characters
Wait,
long lang
so
siya.
Colonel, is that the magic number? You change your password every 25 days?
No. It's just
It's
an example. Oo,
Pero kunwari, some
pero
banks
what
will
is
have
the-
that, diba?
yes.
But for
Oo.
organizations, what are some of the, like, consumer organizational policies na like change password every how many days?
Yes, every how many days. That will be from your tech
from the
point
tech.
of view.
Because it will vary
sa tech
na.
kasi ma'am, we don't really recommend a really like one stopgap solution for everyone.
Mhm.
Because what works for one may not work
May
for
not
another.
work for others.
Diba? So there's no one solution
Yeah, one
for
solution for all.
everyone. Oo, so
It's
kaya
not plug and play for everyone.
Yeah, so yung tech nyo will really try to look at your organization and then yun nga, tingnan niya lahat ng available, what's out there and see what would work for your own company.
So it's all very specific din to the kind of like
Yes.
business
So
that
the
you're
tech
running.
guys should really have a seat at the table.
Yes, they
For
should.
every organization. Hindi sila for backup support. Pag nag-down
Yes.
yung net, hindi ganun.
Oo, hindi.
They're there
Yes.
For
all
planning,
throughout, for planning, for
for-
safety.
Yeah, kaya yung
Implementation.
CISOs and CIOs,
Uh,
diba, should be part of the conversation.
right.
Oo.
Okay, so I think after everything that we've talked about, what I've learned is number one, no one is safe. No one is safe. Like it's.
Matagal ko nang alam yan. I'm a
pero
dreams person.
I love that you brought that up. Kasi parang for me in my head, like if I'm fairly tech savvy. But one of the things that like I absolutely despise is the fact that like yun nga, parang I have to change my password again and I have to remember it again and I've like this is my fifth iteration of like a play on these words for the password. And then now that you brought up na there's a certain time that it'll just take
crack
algorithms to crack
May
whatever
reason
your
pala.
password is.
Mm.
That's the reason behind it. Super simple. I love that. But yeah, it's more of like how you respond to these attacks. And yun nga, parang that there is no such thing as impenetrable. No such thing as impenetrable. It's about how you react to it, how quickly you can react to it so that business can go on. And, it doesn't affect your overhead. Diba? Kasi parang essentially as a business, that's what you want. You don't want days where you cannot sell, days where you cannot
You
operate.
want business continuity.
Business continuity.
Availability.
And yun nga, like what the AFP does, na parang all of these attacks are happening, but we don't really feel it on a daily basis. We go on with our lives, which I guess kind of shows us that, the job is being done because
and the message, I think,
we're getting continuity.
Exactly. And I think the message is also, some people say, why me, why me? It's not me. I'm too small.
Yeah.
Why not you? Yun ang tatulong ng hackers. It is you.
It is
Precisely because you think
because you don't think it's you.
Because you don't think. So no business can say, I don't need this because I'm too small. You are the loop. You are the butas na hinahanap nila. Exactly that kind of thing. Which is, should not. Nabitin sa usapan? Let's keep it going.
This is
Technically Speaking.
Catch the full conversation on YouTube and Spotify or wherever you listen to podcasts.
Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Globe Business. Watch more episodes and get more exclusive content at globe.com.ph/business.